Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor, and I've got another Leartes Studio bundle which has appeared on Humble Bundle, and this might well finish off your collection of their amazing environments. This is worth well over $3,000 and it has 16 Unity environments. Just a note to everybody that I am going for serious eye surgery today, so if you keep your fingers crossed and give me best wishes in the comments. I'll go through each of these environments for you so you can check them out and decide if they're right for you. So when you navigate to Humble Bundle, you'll see that there's 4 different bundles, the 4, 15 and the 35. You can see which ones are for Unity or Unreal Engine or Godot, and you can see with the little Unity logo the 16 different environments. And all of these have hundreds and hundreds of different, and I've featured many different bundles, and I'll put all the links down below to the other bundles too, so you don't miss out. So the first one is the medieval village environment, and I'll play a little bit of footage so you can get a little bit of idea as these go through. We've got the post-apocalyptic wasteland environment, the Siege of Ponthus environment, the stylized medieval town, the dark medieval megapack, the US Capitol exterior environment, the Will's Room interior, student apartment interior, carpenter's workshop environment, stylized Tuscany seaside, we've got the sound effects Warzone pack, we've got the command center environment, we've got the stylized house interior, we've got the abandoned swimming pool, the office corridor, the abandoned horror mansion interior, this stylized castle environment, and then the 500 fantasy icons and the medieval Viking weapons, shields and different sets, along with various different tools and things included in this package. And the whole package does have a value of around £20 or $25 or thereabouts, and if you're from the UK you can use top cashback to usually get 3 or 4% back on your actual purchase. So be sure to check this out and all the rest of the sales down in the description, because Unity's summer sale is now on for massive savings on the best assets that you can find. And be sure to check out my Patreon too to get over 225 different scripts, assets and projects. And big thank you to Peter Steiner and SpeedTutor for their amazing support. So thank you so much for checking this out. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.